Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Frosting by Feroz. Here is a video of how to pipe American buttercream onto a cake and make a basket weave cake. So all you have to do is literally just grab a piping bag, and this is, I believe, Wilton tip number 47. And we have filled the piping bag with American buttercream and just started to pipe in this particular pattern in order to create the basket weave look. Before you start piping onto the cake, make sure that your cake is well chilled in the freezer. So just pop it in the freezer, crumb coat it, pop it in the freezer for, like 5 to 10 minutes. And then once you take it out, you can start to pipe the buttercream onto your cake. So the flavor for this cake was strawberry shortcake, and the outside right now that's being piped in this tutorial is with vanilla buttercream.